That was crazy. I hope none of y'all come. But maybe you should, I don't know. Maybe that means it's like good. I ain't gonna talk your head off, just a few things. Please no flash, because it's like we're watching some shit, so. I don't care if she literally put her flash on. What the fuck? I don't care if you record, this shit come out in a couple minutes. Like, just no flash, because niggas be having epilepsy and shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. But look, I hope this nigga had his flash on too. Y'all New York niggas are so different. Y'all niggas are just different breeds of human. Alright, I'm just saying.
Yo, Yanni, you the GOAT!
It's not even that type of party. Why are you doing that? I'm gonna let y'all go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you love it. I worked really hard on it. And